Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some stress relief toy for adults and kids on Amazon. Before going to start video, please subscribe our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is Stress Relief Cube toy. You can buy it online within $13. Second one. This is Big Bubble Push It Pop toy. You can buy it online with $19. Third one. This is Face Squeeze Ball Set. You can buy it online with $11. Fourth one. This is a Stress Relief Hand Toy Set. You can buy it online with $21. Fifth one. This is 12 package Stress Relief Netball Toy Set. You can buy it online with $19.
Hi guys, we are here to show you these super fun mesh squishy balls. They are kind of like water beads inside of a silicone ball wrapped with a mesh. So they definitely promote some sensory play. They have some interactive dexterity play. We've practiced catching ball with them. We've used them for party favors and we've given them to our neighbor friends. So they're really great, easy gifts to give, and they definitely keep the kids engaged. They also have a fun feature where there's a little hard ball on the inside, and in the dark they actually light up. So we're going to demonstrate that for you really quick. Ready, girls? Turn the lights off, and we are gonna
Sixth one. This is finger magnetic ring. You can buy it online with $6. Seventh one. This is Squeeze Bean Fidget Toy. You can buy it online with $12. So, today we are looking for some stress relief toy for adults and kids on Amazon. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.